Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to play Body Run 3D. So let's get started. So guys, in the starting there will be cucumber and a burger. If we eat the burger, we'll be more fat, and if we eat the if we eat the carrot, we'll be thinner. So I guess in this game we need to fit a dress, because like that only in the ad it was. And yeah, we reached. And I don't know how much thin is the dress or how much fat is the dress. Oh, even at the top there is. I think so. I felt like I ate a burger. Oh. And guys, oh yeah, I thought it. Oh, I knew it. We can't break it. I thought we can easily break it even if we are thin, but no. Oh. Open. 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 No, we didn't get the best prize. Oh guys, we have lots of money, and guys, in this we can even buy stuff. Not everything, only our skins. And okay, we can only buy skins. This we can get by top up. No, level. I don't know which level, but we will. Oh yeah, there is a level shown. I forgot which level, but we will. Oh, we got this skin. Okay, let's equip this. Oh, even it will break. I know a little bit about it because I just played 2 times before. Oh, we can even start. Okay. Add. And we can't even skip this. I think so. It came now. And guys, if we, oh yeah, now it came, but it comes something else like this, download. So I don't know what to do. Oh, it went. I don't know how, but it went. Guys, till now I didn't check what happened if we become so. Oh, okay, down there was glass. So okay, I didn't check what will happen if we become so thin. If we only eat cucumber, we should eat burger also, because if we need to break the glass. So instead of that, if we eat, I don't know what will happen. Guys, I just thought that there will be an ad coming, but it just came the gameplay. And I always get bored of the ad, because every time there will be only 2 same ad in all the game. Not all the game, but most of the game. It will be the same ad. The 2 ad will be same. Wow. Guys, within one burger, this fat. Now we should take the burger only to break the glass. Oh no, by mistake I ate the carrot also. And guys, within one carrot this much thin? Wow, that means. Yeah, even this ad we can't skip, and until I didn't count how much second. Oh yeah, now it came, but if we press like this, so I don't know what to do. And I tried a lot to skip it, but we can't. And I don't know how it came, but it came. I'm not going to come again. Oh, okay, we got it. We should watch ad. No problem, let's watch it. Wow, it's sometime. Oh yeah, finally came a new ad. Hurry up. But what? Oh, okay, we should, I think so, we should take it the same in the top picture. Like this. Oh, I don't need. Okay, there is a timer. After the timer, maybe it will get skipped. Oh, it shows how to. Nah. Okay, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, 0. Oh, we should skip. Yay, finally we got a new food, I guess. Yeah. We already equipped it. Okay, so Mr. Robot. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we should stop over here. I don't know why. Maybe this is the half point. Oh! Again the same ad. There will be lots of zombie. And we can't skip this. When will it even finish? Guys, I hate these ads. And there's no way to remove it. And I don't know, can we remove the ads? Because I'm new to the game. I just played 2 matches before and now I'm recording. So, my friend in the... I think so he's going to message about the holiday homework. Someone said, I don't know what. Okay guys, so let's meet in the next video.